Sable girl. Okay, got her. This is the other sable girl. She's the big girl. Okay. Oh, she's a stinker. Make sure that's a girl. Yep. This is red bones color girl. Black and red. Okay. This is plaid collar. Black and red girl. Okay. I think this one. Here.
I'm sorry.
I don't know who we did. Blue collar or black and red girl. Okay. This is a boy. Did you do her?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. No, that's the big.
Yeah. I guess that's it.
I'll do this one. Okay.
Alright, black collar girl. No, that's the boy. Never mind, we got him. Shoot.